In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Printful, creating a seamless, automated process for managing your e-commerce products and orders. This setup will allow you to simplify your workflow and focus on growing your business while Printful handles your product printing and fulfillment. To get started, you'll need to install the Printful app on your Shopify store. First, log in to your Shopify admin panel. This is the hub where you manage all aspects of your online store, from products to orders to apps. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a menu. Here, you want to navigate to the Apps section. This section is your gateway to enhancing your store's functionality with various applications available for Shopify. After selecting Apps, you'll see an option to Visit Shopify App Store. Click on this, and you'll be directed to the App Store, where you can browse and search for apps to meet your specific business needs. The Shopify App Store is vast and can be explored for numerous functionalities, but for today, we're focusing on integrating with Printful. In the search bar, type in Printful. This handy search feature quickly delivers relevant results based on your query. Once you've searched for Printful, you'll see it listed in the search results. Go ahead and click on the Add App button next to the Printful app. This action prepares to link Printful with your Shopify store, initiating the process that brings these two powerful platforms together. After clicking Add App, you'll be taken to a new screen where you'll need to click Install App. This step connects Printful directly to your Shopify store, allowing for seamless integration. Once the installation is complete, you now have Printful set up in your Shopify store. This opens the door to a host of new features, including automatic order syncing and the ability to easily add Printful's assortment of products right into your Shopify catalog. Once your store and Printful are linked, your orders will sync automatically, allowing Printful to handle the production and shipping of your products. Remember, integrating Printful with Shopify is a great way to streamline your business operations and save time. With Printful taking care of fulfillment, you can focus on designing new products and engaging with your customers, efforts that will ultimately contribute to the growth and success of your e-commerce store. Feel free to explore additional settings and features in both Printful and Shopify to tailor the integration to best meet your specific needs. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Shopify with Printful. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy selling!